Hey guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn how to upload the program if your Ethernet port is not working in Micrologix 1400. You can clearly see that in our video that the Ethernet cable is already connected with the port, but on the PLC screen the communication status is not blinking, it's on steady state. Actually, my Ethernet port has become faulty and I just want to show you that if your Ethernet port has become faulty, then what was the second option to take out the program or upload the program or download the program. So this video is based on communication. Okay, if your Ethernet communication is not working, we can use the other port. So I'm going to explain you how we can use that port. So I'm going to use PM02 port for communication. Now I have connected 1761 CBL PM02 cable with PM02 port, and the half cable I have used serial to USB converter. That serial to USB converter we can get from the market. Okay, now go on device manager and check the COM port after connecting the USB to laptop, and don't forget to install the USB to serial driver. Okay, now we have to open RS Links Classics and then we will add driver RS232DF1 devices. After adding the RS232D driver, click on OK and then a pop-up screen will appear. At that screen, select the COM port and then press auto configure. So after confirm the message auto configure successful, press OK. And now the communication between PLC and your laptop successfully established. Now open the programming software RSLogix 500 and you are ready to download or upload the program from PLC. And the last portion of the video, you can notice that COM0 started blinking, but COM1 is on stable state. COM0 is for PM02 to USB and COM1 is on Ethernet. I hope you like the video. If the video is very informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel.